Look at this amazing creativity. One graphic, 1,000 styles. Watch how this elephant explodes into pure creativity. One design, endless possibilities. First, open Canva and head over to the Elements section by clicking right here. Now pick any graphic you like, the one you want to transform into a completely new style. Just click here to open the Edit menu. You'll see the Style Match option, then click See All. Wow, you'll see tons of styles here. Just pick the one you like and instantly turn your graphic into that style. Let's try a few of these and see how they look.